nothing around you is real. All I have is my ragtag, pulled-together family, a shit apartment. But nothing around you is real, especially me. I'm a monster. I'm a monster.
I always hoped that I would find a way to dream myself away from all the hatred that surrounded me. I always hoped and prayed someday that maybe I could find a way to escape the pain that lives inside of me. Maybe someday, maybe some way, maybe somehow I could find shelter under the rainbow. Under the rainbow, your arm with mine lie safe from harm now. Lie with your hand in mine under the rainbow. Soon we'll both see. Lie cool in shade now. Lie there, just you and me. Over bumps and over borders, you showed me that I could fly. Through the holes and round the corners, you have been my friend and guide. Over mountains, over bridges, now I see how far I go. Standing there with you beside me, we have a love, we have a home. Under the rainbow, hopeful and free. Lie safe from harm now. Lie there, just you and me. Under the rainbow, under the sky. Life safe from harm now. Lie there, just you and I.
You're fired.
What?
Please leave.
But why?
Just go.
Where? What do I do? Where do I go?
I don't know.
Medusa.
Just get out!
Medusa, I'm sorry.
Under the rainbow, under the sky, lie safe from harm now. Lie there, just you and I. I'm sorry too.